the next thing I want to teach you is conditional formatting. So conditional formatting. So if I want to put a pass as green and a fail as red, right? So if I want to put a pass as green and a fail as red, how would this work? Just to highlight the marks, right? If that's the case, what I can do is I can format conditional formatting. So that will bring up a text box. At the moment, the range is D4 because I've just highlighted that cell. I can extend it by clicking and dragging as before, right? So this will cover D4 to D7. But the thing with this is that the rule here is that I haven't given a rule. So I'm just going to change this and put in a rule. So it's going to be D4 to D7. And now I'm going to put in, so I can type this in, D4 to D7. Sorry, I just did it a long way here. So D4 to D7. Now I'm going to change the formatting. So it's going to be based upon the text. The text is going to be exactly, let's say exactly, actually let's change it. Let's say if it's credit, we're going to change, we make it green. So let's say it's credit. So I'm going to now change the formatting. I'm going to choose custom. Alright, so I'm going to now customize it by bolding, italicing, and underline. It shows you the example here. This is a preview. I'm going to fill in the background with green. You can see this is really dark, really light green, so I don't like this. So I'm going to choose custom, and then that will bring up a box where I can choose more different colors. Now this is a darker green. I prefer this one, so let's pick this one. So now I've got the dark green. Now I still don't like this because there's a black line here. So let's try to make the text white. This is much better. So let's keep this. So this is done. So this is our rule. If it's credit, we're going to make it green. If it's pass, let's make it orange. If it's pass, so click on this. It's going to apply to the same range. That's all right. I'm going to click on orange here. Right. I'm going to bold, italics, and underline it. Change the text to white, just like I did the other one. So this is for pass. Now, the reason why it's all orange is because I haven't satisfied the condition here. So let's move in text is exactly equal to pass. All right, now you can see that only has these two, and then I'm going to put done. So you can see that these conditions are on top of each other. Then the last one, text is exactly fail. Then I'm going to change this by putting in red. Again, this is too dark, so I'm going to select custom and just change the color. I'm going to bold, italics, underline. I'm going to change it to white. This is the text. So then that is fail. Okay. So now, done. I've got 3. This is for credit, pass, and fail. I can do more rules if I want, but at the moment I'm satisfied with that. And you can see that these conditions will format differently. So this is conditional formatting. Right, conditional formatting. If I change the grade, this will change as well. So let's say I changed 61 from a pass to a credit. Let's say it's 91 now. You can see that this is changed to a credit and the formatting changes as well. So to summarize, we have taught, I've taught you 2 things here, if statement and conditional formatting. All right. Thank you very much for listening.